Is he
Can you see?
What the fuck is that? What is he doing?
I think we are.
Dad, what the fuck? Look at the lamp. What the fuck is he doing?
What is? It's a bottle.
It's
What is that?
It's the
Screwdriver.
and it's bleeding. Oh my Get out!
Put a screwdriver in there?
And now he bleeding.
Yes. Oh my God.
Is this shit real? What does it say? First is cornhole and now his Jimmy Jammy. Only one sexual organ left to destroy.
And what is that?
El Huvas, what the hell that mean? See you in another 3 months, buddy.
Did you see him on the thing?